Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have this very rare 1999 Nikon Coolpix 950 series. So basically this camera is powered by 4 times AA battery. So to open up here is just like flip open here. This is where you can put in the batteries. So over here, this is the terminal position. So right here, the top right here is the positive side. Negative side at the top, positive side at the top, and over here is negative, and over here is positive, as mentioned right here. So this is the flip switch. You just press it in, and you'll just like push the battery down. You push it in. Then remember, this is to unlock it. This to lock it. So once you lock ready, it's not easy for you to like push up this battery up. Then this camera is using CF card. So to access the card folder is basically to flip this thing up. This is a rubber flap. Do not break it because these are rubber thing that breaks very easily nowadays. So this is the CF card. So what you do, this is the thing you have to flip this rectangular thing upwards. I'll show it to you. Is you just flip it upwards. The thing will point upwards. So it acts like a button for you to push. Then the card will pop up. So you can use something like this. It's a 128 MB card. You have to put it in. The card brand is facing you. Then just push it in. So this thing will pop up. Then once it's done ready, this rectangular keyboard thing, you flip it down. Then you're good to close. Yep, it's pretty handy. So this camera, the on-off switch is right here at the top right. So over here, this is the selection. So right here, if you ever turn it on, they display up these settings, everything. Then the camera on self turn it on. You can see the LCDs and all start to light up. So over here, this is the recording in auto mode. This is manual mode, and this is for you to play back. And over here, this is the video output. So in case you're connecting it to your TV in the olden days and all, this is a TV output. This is the 6.5 volt adapter, which I don't have it anymore. So over here, this is the button for you to access these camera settings, everything. So I will just continue to half press this because I just want to keep the camera alive before it keep on turning off, because I put it at 30 seconds. So over here, this is the flash mode. This is you don't want to have flash with red reduction, and force flash. So finger flash, everything. So for the flash modes and all these things, just have a half press this, but just to mind you that the flash is very bright. Yep, there you can see it just take photos and everything. Then this is over here the number of shots you are left with. Then normal, this is now in program mode, the battery strength and the metering system. So over here you can adjust between the normal, this is macro mode, and this is self timer of 10 seconds and auto mode. So over here, this is for you can rotate up to like, this is the 360 degrees rotation. Yep, it's pretty cool. So imagine you are doing video with this camera. This is like really amazing at that time. Yes. So just imagine you have holding this around. You're like the most coolest kid ever. So for example, if you half press, this means the autofocus button lifts up, means is that the object is trying to autofocus and all. So if for example you are using force flash, yep, so it depends on the mode. Like if you are in the normal mode, if you ever force flash, if you half press, if you see this red button is steady, it means that the flash will fire. Autofocus blinking is because they cannot detect my distance between the table and the camera is very near, so it just needs a macro mode for it to go close, like close up object and all these things. So if you see the half flash, everything is like blinking, it means that it's recharging. So anyways, this button here, this is to show you that it's in macro mode. This will tell you there's a date stamp. This will tell you that it's a force flash. Then right now the metering system, program mode. This is the shutter speed at 1.25. This is the aperture at f3.9. This will tell you its normal quality, and this how many photos you can left with. So to zoom in and zoom out is basically this button right here. So over here, this button, if you press in, this is for you to zoom in, this is for you to zoom back up. Yep. So for example, if you want to do vlogging, everything like me, so you can just like, you know, this is how you access around. So if you want to zoom in to my face, this is how you press in and you zoom back up. Yep, this is pretty good. Like if it's like a selfie camera, this is really a perfect camera that you can try out with. So anyways, over here, this is the monitor, so you can adjust around. Like if you don't want the LCD screen, if you want to look through this viewfinder, it's possible as well. Yep, so this is the LCD. Then if you press this menu button here, is you can go through the start up. So the left and right, the up and down switches is this one here. Okay. It just turns it off itself. So anyway, this is the up and down button. So you can go to the Nikon folder, the sound, everything. So if you want to set up LCD brightness, you just have to press this button. Let me see. No, sorry, you have to press the shutter button if you want to take. Like if you want to access it, like you want, for example, you want the bracketing and all to be 30 seconds, to set you have to press the shutter button. Yes. So for example, if you want to adjust the LCD brightness, shutter button to select, then you have to use this plus minus button, the up and down button here to select everything. Yep. So this is how you go through this button for the menu button here. Then if you want to go to the manual mode will give you full access to the camera settings. Like you can adjust this white balancing. You can go to preset, sunny, incandescent and all, but they don't tell you like how the image will turn out. So you have to like, you know, experiment one by one, everything. Yep. So you have to go back to menu, adjust the settings around and play. It's like quite troublesome a bit because it's an old camera, old technology. It's like night metering, digital zoom, black and white, everything, folder, user lens, preset, everything set up. So if you go to set up, you can change up these date, the languages, everything, or in the camera itself. You press the menu button to go back. Yep. So this is actually a pretty good camera. I mean, I like the uniqueness. So to go back up here to playback is to play back your photos you have taken. You move left and right, up and down is to see the photos that you have taken up. That's me, my friends. And you press this button here is to zoom in. To zoom in some more and back up. Yep. So to go back is you have to adjust back to the normal settings again. Then if you press this if you want to go to the manual mode here, if you want to access this thing but it's not pressing up. Yep. So this is how you adjust around the image. It's always auto in zoom series already. Yep. So that's all about it for this Nikon camera. So this is a Coolpix series. So overall, I find this camera very unique for its time. So it's like a pretty decent camera. This camera is selling for 300 Singapore dollars in today's value. So yes, and it's very hard to find nowadays, especially in this condition, like it's so mean with the LCD, everything is so precise. So thank you very much for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you all soon. Bye.